I've been looking for this type of tantric course for a long time. So after reading the description on the website about what this course entails, I was just drawn to it immediately because it's everything that I'm looking to heal within myself.
I really resonated with Tantra meets Tao, and just that combination, I was like, okay, this is going to be something really special for me. Everything that I've learned has just blown my mind, and everything that I've experienced has been amazing.
For me, coming here, it will change my life. It already did change my life. I wasn't expecting the things that happened.
This is something that I'm going to integrate in my existing practice because this is really going to change my work thousandfold.
It's an amazing spiritual experience that I've never found before, and it is so profound.
I haven't come across another modality like Tantric Journey. What Mal has done is synthesized the work and learning of some very ancient traditions and great teachers, as well as his own healing background, into this one approach. And for people who are really stuck with emotional, physical traumas that they haven't been able to release, it's a really unique approach to go and be able to have a safe, nurturing, loving space to be able to release that in.
20 years of my learning I have condensed down into 10 days of my teacher training course. I have found a way to open certain gateways in the body very, very quickly, and when you press these buttons, the body energy channels open. Then also I have developed various techniques to open up the intimacy chakra, open the heart chakra, and to open the throat chakra. There are a lot of people teaching how to de-armor the Yoni, but I find more people are blocked not from the Yoni but from upper chakras as well, or from the whole body. So you need to use different methods to challenge each and every chakra. So I have developed a beautiful technique. Very, very comfortably people can open up all their chakras to remove the stagnant energies from the body and to allow the positive energy to flow freely.
Most of us, I think we didn't experience this deep touching with full awareness and conscious. And for me, it's the only way to really let go and to really become again able to receive.
It helped me open again because I had very bad experiences with people in the past and I had fear of people.
It's not always been an easy journey. When you take the lid off stuff that's been stored for many, many years, it can be really quite uncomfortable. But when that stuff starts to come out underneath it, there's this now capacity again to feel connection with people and real pleasure in the body. So I just feel like I've come alive again.
I came out of the session and I looked at the trees and they looked greener, like really rich and vibrant, as if my eyes had been cleared of like hundreds of years of tension, as if weights have been lifted off my shoulders.
You can come in with all your hindrances. They are welcome, they are a part of it, and that's the beautiful thing. We actually learn by using them and allowing them, and everything is set up in such a step-by-step way. You unfold naturally, like as if the leaves of your flower are opening up by themselves, one by one.
I thought that Mal held the space incredibly well. I felt so safe within his presence. He took everything very, very slowly. He explained everything that we were doing. He's very gentle, very sincere. You receive so much love and purity from him.
It's great to learn this from somebody who has a lot of experience, who has worked on so many different people and has helped thousands of women.
This is the opportunity to open up and find out about who you are and find all these treasures that you didn't know you had. Even if there's a slight feeling or intention or some voice in your heart saying there's something in it for me, then you will discover way more than you can imagine.
These are real feelings, real emotions and real healing.